If you're just joining us, I'm Mark, and this is Lucy, and we are currently in the tiny coastal village of Palmarin. In this episode, we cover the 3 days it takes to drive all the way to Mauritania and negotiate one of the most difficult border crossings on the planet. Wow. And do all this with a broken suspension. Will we make it? Only one way to find out.
Good morning to the crew. In the morning, we went to the store and then buy an African dress. Look at me, and I look like a Senegalese now, right? African color on my body, and then look at Mark. Mark has the African pants. So we are really colorful, and then we don't have that kind of a chance, so we decide to take photos, and it's really nice. And we are gonna move to other spot because our house battery is only 30%. So we are gonna move up there because there is a constant that we can connect it and then charge our house battery. Today we gotta do laundry. We haven't done it for a long time, and I know after we leave this place we are not gonna have any time to do it, so we are gonna do it. Yeah, a lot of laundry day. No break time. 저기는 양이 있고 wizard and goat, and I gotta do laundry. 염소를 쫓아가야 되겠구만. 이놈의 새끼 어디 갔어? 열러.
The bamboo trees are huge.
석양을 보러 갑니다. 해지는 거 보러 가려고요. Right?
Yeah, but we still have a lot of time. About 40 or 50 minutes maybe.
And then we can enjoy the beach. Yes, I really want to jump in the water. I think with my cold or whatever something going on, it's not a good idea. Right?
Yeah.
와, 진짜 예쁘다. 저거 배 앞에서.
Yeah. Should we go walk over to the shipwreck? Enjoy. Hola. Oui. Vacances. Oui.
개다 개.
Oh yeah. You know, I'm gonna walk on this side. You walk on this side. There we go.
Thank you. So you wanna be taller?
Wind chimes or voodoo?
Wind chime. Guys, we're close to the shipwreck over there. It's really nice, a cool looking one. And there's the sun. As soon as sun is setting, we're gonna head back to campsite. We don't want to stay outside, it's so dark. Anyways, it is really nice to be out here, even I'm sick. It will be my last time to see enjoy the Senegal and Senegal Sea. And I know that I don't want to miss any part of it before I leave this country. So yeah, it's perfect.
Ready to go? Let's do this. Yeah, I checked already.
이제 안 본다. 귀여워. 애기 귀여워. Good morning, TV crew. We are leaving Palmarin right now, and our destination will be St. Louis. So it is like a 5 hours 37 minutes driving, but our TV condition is not good. Her stabilizer. So yeah, hopefully we get there, but unfortunately we cannot see St. Louis. because we are planning to cross the border tomorrow from Senegal to Mauritania. So next time, if we have a chance and our YouTube grow better, maybe we're gonna come back again for the St. Louis. And everyone said that like St. Louis was good, right? So yeah, let's drive today, and hopefully nothing to happen. Cross the finger. Guys, we just got into St. Louis. We are kind of outskirts of the St. Louis, and I should say not St. Louis. I should say St. Louis. It is quite different vibe here. There's so many places that people can play the basketball or soccer. So yeah, it's quite different than what we have seen. 바다 색깔 되게 특이해. 앞엔 좀 약간 머디인가 봐. So Google Map was leading us a really weird way again.
Wow, these roads are so narrow.
Yeah, I don't know how we can get there.
Take the next left onto Rue Bru.
So we are kind of spinning around this like a little kind of island right now, and we have no idea.
Turn left onto Rue Diama.
Which way to go?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this road's close too.
여기 deep?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Okay,
that's
car
a
right
bridge.
there.
Oh my god. 저거네.
Yeah,
Oh my god, what's wrong with the Google?
wrong bridge, Google.
진짜잖아.
에?
아 진짜지, right? 진짜 펠리칸이지?
Yeah.
펠리칸이 왜 저렇게 저기에 있어?
Almost gone. Cheers.
So, yeah, road was kind of worse. We never planned like this. I thought like as soon as we hit the St. Louis, we'd be better and we can chill before we cross the border. And it would be nice night to look around the St. Louis, but we cannot. Actually, the campsite was way far away from the main St. Louis area. So we just we gave up. You know, it's quite late and we don't have any energy. And the other thing is we don't have data at all. So we cannot use the internet or getting any information. The other thing is we were planning to do the live stream tonight. Unfortunately, that plan will not work. So today Mark drove like 8 hours 38 minutes and with a really bad condition road. And he's really exhausted too. And the thing is tomorrow we're gonna cross the border to Mauritania, which is the worst road. And we already experienced it. You guys just watched our last previous episode that we broke our solar panel. Yeah. So that road we're gonna go back with bad suspension.
Yeah, it's probably not a good idea, but the alternative is also bad.
Yeah. Rosso takes longer to cross the border and there's so many bribe you have to do it. You cannot cross the border without the fixer in Rosso, so we are gonna go to Diama. It's less corrupted. Good morning to the crew. Actually, it's not good morning for me. I'm not looking forward to today. How about you?
Yeah, it's gonna be stressful. Really stressful.
Today we are gonna cross the border from Senegal to Mauritania. And it is really corrupt border crossing, and we already experienced it before. And the road is horrible. I cannot breathe. Actually.
Breathe.
So yeah, we are really stressing out. I wish we don't need to cross the border, but we gotta do it, right?
Yeah, there's no other way.
Yeah, no other way.
And our passavant expires day after tomorrow.
Yeah, right.
So
We have to go.
we have to get out.
All right, let's go. Let's deep breathe. 숨을 쉬어라고.
This is basically the speed we'll be going for 3 kilometers through that rough patch after the border. Alright. Let's do this.
Let's do this. Bye bye, Senegal.
Here we go. The border is just around this turn here.
Guys, we are gonna, see the border soon. But before that, we are gonna turn off the camera. Last time we,
Hide them too.
yeah, hide them too. Last time we put on our cameras on, we had a problem in Senegal side and the Mauritania side, and that's like kind of like holding us, like being in the border too. So yeah, we are gonna turn it off soon.
Yeah.
Right? And I see you in next
Yep.
side, other side.
Yep.
Guys, we just like stamp on our passport in Senegal border. We're gonna cross the bridge and then enter the Mauritania.
Yeah.
So we just exchange the money too, and the one thing we have to do is to pay the bridge.
2 euro, we change for you. 2 euro.
€2. No,
없는데?
it's okay. I'm gonna pay this
Paid.
bridge.
Yeah, we paid this bridge. How much was it?
4,000 sephas.
그러니까 8,000원이야 이게. The one thing, the Russia is so corrupted. So when people heard that they're gonna make the bridge in here, they thought that like overlanders and travelers, they thought that they don't need to pay the bridge, but
Yeah.
they put the bar, so they have to pay it. But it's better than Russia. You have to pay a lot of money.
Yeah. Look at all those birds.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the Mauritania border. And that's gonna be the tricky one. And we definitely have to turn off the cameras here.
Absolutely. 끈다.
Alright.
TV crew, we crossed the border and we are officially in Mauritania. And yeah, we pay a little bit of money for 400 Ugia for the passavant for our car. It's way cheaper than Senegal passavant.
Yeah.
And we paid 1,000 Ugia for 10 days car insurance. I think we got scammed, but there's no choice. And the funny thing is, people were kind of like friendly this time, right?
Yeah.
Because they recognize us.
Yeah, everyone recognizes this time. The one guy who really gives a hard time because of our camera.
Yeah.
Last time he saw us too.
Yeah.
He wasn't in uniform today.
Yeah, so anyways, like everyone recognized us and it's kind of friendly going in.
Yeah, really friendly today.
Yeah, it was easy, nothing, they didn't ask us for the money and they just
Yeah.
like, come here, you just password, yeah.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
faster than before.
Way faster.
It's amazing. So anyways, we are gonna head to the really horrific is the right word?
Yeah.
Horrible road. So you're looking forward to going in?
Nope, but we gotta do it.
Yeah, let's go.
Maybe I better get over to this other route over here. There we go.
이거 아닌 것 같다.
Ooh, I'm stressed.
괜찮아, 할 수 있어.
My gosh, TV is bouncing around like crazy. This part wouldn't be that bad.
그치, 우리 약간 조금 속력 내고 왔는데 지금 10km 달리고 있잖아.
Yeah, but because of our suspension right now, it's really bad.
걸어가는 아저씨가 우리보다 더 빠른 것 같아. You're what? You're a badass. You got this.
Cows are laughing at us. I'm just gonna go through this one here. We need to scratch up just a little bit. Ooh. There's the scratching. This is one of the worst parts here, I think, right? Oh,
아니야, 월스트 파트는 더 월스트 파트 있어. Someone is like, putting the nails with the chalkboard.
oh shoot. What do we do here?
We gotta go deep. There's no.
Nothing I can do.
Yeah,
We
nothing.
gotta take this dip. Just gotta go really slow.
We're going down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
야, 이거 심장 떨린다, 이거. 이쪽 한 어머니 쪽.
Yeah, I see it. It's good.
오 여기가 어머니 쪽. 나 입으로 운전한다. 맞아.
Yeah.
I think from here is better, right?
Okay. Holy crap.
Oh my god. 칼 사올 걸. Chop everything like.
Yeah. Oh. Fortunately, once we get out here, this is where it starts to open up, and I think we're good.
We're going down a little bit.
Yeah, this is where it's through the worst of it. Turn the AC now.
Yeah. It's like a
Woo.
washing board.
Good job,
road.
baby.
Oh my god. Yeah, for a while. No wonder, I think. 여러분, 저희 로즈미하고 도착했습니다.
Yeah, it's pretty solid.
We got here! Yay!
So, what is the gourmet meal for tonight?
고민 아니고 똥냥라면? 그다음에 둘 다 약간 요리하기가 귀찮고
Gourmet ramen tonight.
그냥 do like Thai food.
After a stressful day, we always eat spicy food anyways.
약간 그치? 스페이시 푸드를 먹어줘야지. 짭겠다.
How's it?
I remember her in songs, decades old, but it doesn't matter.